Did you miss the fall 24 deadlines and now thinking about applying to US universities for spring 25? Here is everything you need to know about to stay on track. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Pranay Rawat, founder director of Edu Nirvana. Today we are going to discuss about the timeline for the spring 25 intake, about the universities, specific universities. So let's start this video starting from the timeline, which is very important to understand if you are aiming for spring 25. Considering June and July or till August, you have to ready with your test preparation, which includes IELTS, TOEFL, PT, Duolingo, any one of them. आप इनमें से कोई भी एक एग्जाम दे सकते हैं. मोस्टली बच्चे IELTS एंड TOEFL देते हैं. इसके अलावा you need to look into the universities that whether they are accepting GRE or not. Definitely after 24 fall, most of the universities reinstated GRE requirement. So make sure आप GRE की preparation करें because you get many good options. Along with that, you get opportunity to secure scholarship. Considering July till August, you can invest your time for your preparation, and at the same time you start looking for the university options. University selection and course selection is very important, so you cannot go beyond August 24 for this selection, and August onwards you need to start working on your documents, which includes resume, statement of purpose, letter of recommendations. So first of all, you need to understand that what your university is asking or what specific requirements they have in terms of essays, SOPs, the how many pages, and probably the word limit for essay or a statement of purpose. Same with letter of recommendations, that how many letter of recommendations. Mostly there would be 2, but maximum there are many universities asking for 3 letter of recommendations. And now let's discuss when you will submit your applications. So if you are able to complete your test preparation and if you're able to get your documents ready by end of August or starting of September, make sure you submit your application by September mid, not beyond this point. And of course, depending upon the university, they take at least 4 to 6 weeks for the decision. So you can expect your decisions by maybe mid-October or end of October. Don't delay for shortlisting university or finalizing one particular university where you want to go and study. So for that, start working immediately the moment you submit your applications to all the universities, and then start working on your I-20 documents. I-20 documents, mostly you need financial statement, bank balance certificate, the cost of I-20, which can be around somewhere around $35,000 to $55,000 per year. So depending upon the university. For I-20, don't wait for the last minute because there are many financial documents needed to apply for the I-20. I-20 is the document, without that you cannot fill your visa or you cannot get visa slot. So I-20 में होता क्या है, मैं आपको सिंपल भाषा में समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I-20 एक फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट है जहाँ पे आपको अपनी फाइनेंशियल्स दिखाने हैं कि आप 1 ईयर का जो यूनिवर्सिटी कॉस्ट है, विच इंक्लूड्स इंश्योरेंस, ट्यूशन फीस, योर मिसलेनियस, योर लिविंग कॉस्ट, you have that much money in as a liquid asset. Now, liquid asset means which you can liquidate any moment or immediately. So for example, if you have savings of XYZ funds which is required probably from $35,000 to $55,000, so many of the students they take education loan. So of course आप एजुकेशन लोन का वेट मत करिए, जब आपके पास ऑफर आए तब आप अप्लाई करें. हाँ, आई नो दैट मेनी nationalized bank, they need your final offer, then only you can apply for the loan. But many private banks or non-banking financial institutions, they are offering loan without having or they don't want the final decision or the university letter where you're going for the education loan. So yes, considering spring deadlines, it is little short, and it is like, if you see the complete entire process till visa, you don't have much time. So आपको visa के documents सारे ready रखने हैं the moment you done with your application. एंड अक्टूबर एंड तक मैक्सिमम आपको I-20 अप्लाई कर देना है. नाउ इफ यू सी फॉर जनवरी इनटेक हाउ मेनी मंथ्स आर लेफ्ट. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी मिड में क्लासेस शुरू हो जाती हैं. सो ऑफकोर्स आपके पास ज़्यादा टाइम बचा नहीं है, 2 से 2.5 महीने. इनफैक्ट आई वुड से यू हैव ओनली 45 to 50 days मैक्सिमम to get your visa done. So of course, the moment you get I-20, maybe in the month of October or end of October, immediately you start looking for the visa slots. So considering the availability of visa slots, आपको नवंबर में भी slots मिल सकते हैं और दिसंबर में मिल सकते हैं. Now let's discuss about the universities accepting applications for Spring 25. I'll start with September onwards. So for September, you can get University of Florida, University of Texas. You can also apply to University of Southern California. And now let's talk about October universities. Then you have Texas A&M. You have Pennsylvania State University. You have University of Wisconsin Madison, Rice University, Ohio State University. Then you have Boston University. UIUC also offers a lot of programs for spring intake. And now you have University of Colorado, Washington State University. So these are all the universities, and if you want to know more, please comment us. We will share the list of programs and universities offering programs for Spring 25. That's all for now. Keep watching our channel for more such updates and useful information. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.